Whew. Okay, it's kind of cool. There's my bike. There is an animal trail here. Knew it. You see it, right? What is up here? Besides an animal trail. Oh, it's an old road, isn't it? What do you guys think? Yep, those are bear prints. If I've ever seen any bear prints, those are them. Interesting. Came right down there, or what? Cool. Yeah, see there's a nice piece over there I want to check out too, but this looks good for right now. Let's see. Oh, it's very cool. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, dude, it's... Look. It's... Oh. See that? I want to say turf, but it's not. But it is. It's that gray stuff. Oh, interesting. Some stuff that's underneath the petroglyphs. I gotta figure out why it ends up like this. It's like definitely got more calcified. What? No, I shouldn't even say that, but it's half and half. It's half granite, half this like quartzite stuff. That's the word that I'm looking for. Cool. Look at that stump. Very neat. Is that what makes it like that? Tough to say. Everybody's probably wondering why my bike's just ditched there. Oh, it's in there, nothing. You gotta watch out for holes when you're in the bush like this, though. It could be really easy to trip and like hurt my ankle. Hurt my ankle forever, and that's moss. Interesting. What an interesting piece of rock. Similar to... Isn't that cool? Little cave system. Very cool. Alright, and that's Bad Dog Mountain Arts, side of the road. I don't even know what I'm going to do with this video, but that's what I was interested in looking at. Look at that. I'm going to continue on my way before someone stops. Sees what I'm doing, but that's cool because it's like granite and it's quartzite. Granite and it's quartzite. I wonder why. You see that big piece there? That's a granite. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, let's continue. There's somebody running.